So today I am doing perhaps the biggest Asos swimwear and bikini haul I think has ever graced YouTube's platform. I've seriously gone all out and splurged hard for this video, but I wanted to put together a kind of selection of my favourite swimwear and bikini items from Asos and some other brands. I think I've got River Island and Boohoo and Monkey also in this haul, but all available from Asos. I have a very long hot summer coming up, and perhaps you do too, have some gorgeous summer holidays planned. So yeah, I thought this would be a good way to kind of share some of the swimwear items I'm loving. I'm also filming this in my usual haul style. I will be showing you me wearing all of these items on so you can see exactly how they fit. Warning though, some of these I kind of like underestimated how big I was. I do this all the time. It's hard with online shopping because sizes are different in every shop it seems. But yeah, some of these items are a little bit too small for my bust and my bum area. I do apologise. This video might be quite fleshy, but I still wanted to show you the bits anyway. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to start with perhaps my favourite item from this haul. This is so cute. It's actually from River Island at Asos, and it's the most gorgeous kind of baby pink frilly boob tube bikini. You've got some nice really high-waisted bikini bottoms, and these aren't like, they won't cover your whole bum, they're quite like thin around the bum area, but that is very flattering normally. The boob tube top does come with a removable strap, so you can wear it as a halter neck if you are planning to actually do any swimming rather than just laying around in the sun. I could imagine this would fly off quite easily if you were on a water slide, so that's why I think the added halter neck is a great idea as well, just in case. Won't give you tan lines, but great for a little bit of extra support. But yeah, I absolutely adore this. How cute is it? It reminds me of like a cupcake or something, and that is exactly the vibe I want to go for this summer. So yeah, absolutely love this. From River Island, I should say I got the bottoms in a size 10 and the top in a size 8, and I do feel like these were the only two that were a little bit too big for me, so I would size down if you were buying these from Asos or River Island, but I will leave a link down below for you. I really am all about the colour this summer because I've also chosen out this. This is actually from Monkey at Asos. I've never tried any of Monkey's swimwear before, but I absolutely fell in love with this bright fluorescent yellow swimsuit. Is that what you call it? It's again frilly around the bust area, which I just love. It's also off the shoulder, so very flattering if you want to cover the tops of your arms, which I like to do a lot. This is perfect for that. Yeah, I really can't fault this. It makes me feel confident. I think the colour would look incredible if you had a nice tan, a nice olive glow, which I definitely don't in these cutaways. I do apologise. But yeah, I love this a lot, and I also like that the bum is a full brief. I got this in a small and it fits pretty perfectly as well. Asos this year have an amazing bunch of kind of mix and match bikini items. I absolutely love that idea. You can really personalise your beach look this holiday, and these are two of the items that I bought to go together in their mix and match collection. So the first is this gorgeous kind of boob tube, but it has these little sleeves for your arms, almost like a corset-y top. It has these little hooks down the front which give the illusion of it being like openable from the front, which isn't. But yeah, I really like this look, and I decided to team it with this white and navy stripy high-rise briefs. I love these. I do feel like I'm wearing a little bit of a nappy with these as they come up so high. In fact, I think perhaps above my belly button, so it does make me feel a little bit self-conscious in that area because obviously I don't want to look like I'm wearing a nappy on the beach. But it also has these little hooks at the front which kind of tie it in to the top. I love the colour combo. I love that you can mix and match them with other bikini tops. I really like these. Let me know what you think. Okay, so this was the swimsuit I was most looking forward to getting in this haul, but unfortunately it's a little bit too small for me. I feel like my boobs are like bulging over the top of this, but it's the most beautiful strapless black mesh swimsuit. It has this mesh detailing under the boob bit with kind of like a cross stitch detailing, I think that's what it's called, and it also has that going down around the waist and around the bum. This is very flattering. It kind of gives the illusion that you're a lot smaller than you are because of kind of like the patchwork detailing and the mesh. I just think it's really sexy. It reminds me of like a Bond girl, like you'd see her walking out of the water with this strapless swimsuit on. I would also say it was a proper workout getting this on. Kind of has like a hidden bit in the back to keep it all like secured in so your boobs aren't falling out, but it just was way too tight on me. Another good thing about this is it has, again, the removable straps, so if you wanted to wear it as a halter neck, you definitely could. Give you a little bit more support if you're doing any water sports this summer. But yes, I really like this, and I'm going to return this and get it in a size up because I think it's sexy. You want to feel confident on the beach in front of other people. You don't want to feel worried about how you look, so I think it's important to find something that you feel and look really great in to get your confidence back up. Now, this bikini set is definitely a little bit of a showstopper. Sequins are really in at the moment, aren't they? Yeah, this will definitely make a statement. It's the Asos brand. It's like a plain black bikini, but on the front it has gold sequins, which are actually colour reversible. You can swipe it up and it goes black, which I love as well. You can like personalise it, I guess. The bikini bottoms look like this. These are kind of like very low hipped. Is that the word? They come very low on my hips, so you definitely have to make sure you're shaved properly to wear these. They're very skimpy, but they definitely make an impression. And I love how they're just very simple, but because of the sequins, they give it something a little bit extra. So if you would like to make a statement on the beach this summer, this is definitely the way to go. This is another one of my favourite items from the haul, and it's from Boohoo, but picked it up on Asos. It's a gorgeous kind of green floral tropical print. I've just noticed there's a parrot on the back. That's so cute. And quite similarly to some of the other things I picked up, it's kind of a boob tube with off the shoulder arm slips for your arm, alongside the tropical print, which I think is super cute, really fun, definitely kind of stands out. One of the other reasons I love it is because of the shape of the briefs. There's a definite thing at the moment where briefs are almost like thongs, and when I'm on the beach, I don't want to show my, like, I don't want my whole bum cheeks to be out. I'm happy and confident with my body and its imperfections, but I still don't want my entire bum to be out. So that is another reason that I love these, because they are full, they still make your bum look great, but you're not gonna like be flashing everyone and having people tussle you. I don't know, I really like this. I think this is one that I'm definitely going to keep from this haul. So this next one is a good example of that. It's gorgeous. I'm so sad that this isn't how I kind of imagined. It's gorgeous, kind of like monochrome polka dot. I love polka dots at the moment. It's an all-in-one swimsuit, but it almost looks like two pieces just tied up on your hips. I love the white and the navy. I think this is absolutely gorgeous, but the bum, oh my goodness, like how am I supposed to fit my entire bottom in that? It just made me look, again, like I was wearing a bit of a nappy. Even looking in the mirror wearing this in my house, I felt a bit like, oh, I don't want anyone seeing this. So yeah, unfortunately, I think this is one I'm going to send back. I can imagine on some people this would look absolutely amazing, and I definitely envy you, but this is definitely the kind of shape of the bottoms and were not for me. I am doing this so quickly. I've got 3 more left. I have a feeling a load of you are going to love this next one because it's a little bit different, but it's so cute. So it's, again, Asos branded. I tried to go for a little bit of a different style, so instead of just being like a boob tube or a halter neck, it's like a little cardigan that you can wear. So if you are, again, self-conscious of the tops of your arms, this is great because it covers that. It's like you're wearing a t-shirt. It is quite booby. I wasn't expecting it to show that much cleavage, but I think you could definitely try and tie it up a little bit tighter to kind of hide more of that area. So it's black all over, but it has a really gorgeous, cute, kind of western gold printed pattern on it. It has little cacti, it has like some cowboy boots, what are these called? Horseshoe on it. I just think this is really unique, and this whole kind of western cacti thing is always in, so this is great. And it also comes with these little bottoms. The bottoms have these tassels on them and some gold like metal detailing, which is a bit noisy. I can imagine this would be better just like lounging around the pool rather than actually swimming, because these would get in the way, I think. This again is one of the most unique swimming costumes I've ever seen on Asos, and I think it's bloody adorable. It's again a really colourful tropical print. The top is wired and structured, so you definitely have, if you've got bigger boobs, then this will definitely support you. When you buy the top in this, so you actually have to like buy it in your bra size, and that's great because it's not like one size fits all, small, medium or large. It's like designed for the girls who have some boobies that they want held in place. But I like this because it's kind of like cold shoulder. It has the straps and then these bits which go over the tops of your arms, and it also has little pom-poms on. Adorable. Not only that, but the shorts that come with it look like a skirt. So it is swimming costume. It has like a little black like swimming costume knickers underneath, but then you wear it as a little skirt. And I just think going from like a beach to bar or beach to a cafe, this is the most perfect option because it's so cute. I mean, the pom-poms, the colour, the fact it looks like an outfit, I just love this. And the final piece in this haul is this. It's one swimsuit. I got this because it was slightly different to the others. It is a nice low plunge neckline. If any of you girls have great breasts and want to show them off by the pool this summer, I thought this would be a good option. I wasn't a massive fan of it on me, purely because I don't think my boobs are big enough for it, and my nipples just kept popping out in the cutaways. I'm like really trying not to move too much so that a nipple doesn't accidentally slip out. My nipples slip out in videos all the bloody time. I can't express to you how many videos I've had to delete off my channel because I've had an accidental nip slip. So I was really like aware of trying to not let that happen again this time. But yeah, the pattern's really unique. Again, very tropical. It has these little bits of like leopard print in, little lemons and strawberries. It has the cutout at the back as well, so it almost looks like you're wearing a two-piece from behind, but obviously around the front you're wearing an all-in-one. I just don't like how it made me feel like my boobies were going to come out. It's not what you want. That was everything. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. As I said earlier, I'll leave all links down below. If any of you have some nice summer holidays coming up, then leave me a comment down below. I'd love to hear where you're going. I'd love to know what one you preferred, like what was your favourite out of the bunch. Have a lovely long hot summer, guys, and I will see you very soon.